Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about influencer marketing, and specifically how to find the right influencers for your brand. Influencer marketing has become a popular way for brands to reach their target audience and increase their brand awareness. But with so many influencers out there, it can be challenging to find the right ones for your brand. So, let's dive into some tips on how to find the right influencers for your brand. Before we get into the tips, let's talk about some relevant keywords that will help you while doing your research. The first keyword is influencer marketing. Another keyword is how to find influencers, and finally, we have influencer outreach. First and foremost, it's important to define your target audience and the goals of your influencer campaign. This will help you identify the type of influencers that will resonate with your audience and help you achieve your goals. Next, you can start researching influencers on social media platforms such as Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You can use tools like HypeAuditor, Influencer Co, or Ninja Outreach to help you find influencers in your niche. When researching influencers, it's important to consider their follower count, engagement rate, and relevance to your brand. Don't just go for the influencers with the most followers, as they may not have a highly engaged audience or align with your brand's values. Another way to find influencers is to look at your competitors and see who they are working with. This can give you an idea of the type of influencers that resonate with your target audience. Once you've identified a list of potential influencers, it's important to evaluate their content and their audience. Make sure their content aligns with your brand's values and aesthetics, and that their audience is engaged and relevant to your brand. When reaching out to influencers, make sure to personalize your message and explain why you think they would be a good fit for your brand. Be clear about your goals and the expectations you have for the partnership. It's also important to consider the type of partnership you want to have with the influencer. Do you want them to create sponsored content, do a product review, or participate in a giveaway? Make sure to discuss the terms of the partnership before finalizing any agreements. Finally, it's important to track the results of your influencer campaign and analyze the data. This will help you understand what's working and what's not, so you can make adjustments and optimize your campaign for better results. That's it for today's video on how to find the right influencers for your brand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let's get this video to 100,000 likes.